Meaning of fireside.
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 Fireside. Fireside refers to a location near a fireplace or a context that evokes warm, cozy feelings associated with gathering around the fire. It is often used in literature, such as in the phrase fireside chat, to describe an informal discussion or conversation held in a comfortable and intimate setting. The term has also been adapted for modern use, such as in the name of the popular podcast Fireside Chat with Dennis Prager. Overall, fireside connotes a sense of comfort, intimacy, and relaxation in a setting typically associated with warmth and light.